You know, honestly, I think the number one thing about working with DCRS is they're just a good group of people. I mean, we get together, we can have fun. It's not all business.
But you want to do business with somebody that you trust, and it's as much about having a relationship as anything else.
They're about relationships. I know the owner personally. I know so many people on the team. It's not just the owner.
Multiple techs that I work with that I've known for 16 years, the same people, you know, they know what they're doing.
We've had a long relationship with DCRS, again, over 30 years. We know the people there. Each one just really connects with us.
We've had a great relationship. We go back all the way to the NCR cash registers that are some things that you used to see at a dime store.
No matter who we call, they give us immediate service, and they want to make sure we get whatever we need.
They're always a phone call away. We have a great relationship with the guys over there, and I'm glad we teamed up with them. It is a partnership.
Well, the vendor partnership to us is really important, and we've taken what we think is a mutually beneficial approach. And we have to be able to support the vendors the way they support us.
Having a trusted relationship with anybody helps, but when you're talking about money and you're talking about processing money, now you're talking about, that's a bigger deal, you know.
We have that trust and the confidence, and that's huge when, you know, there's so many other things that can go wrong in a restaurant setting.
The relationship we have with DCRS is certainly ongoing. They understand that if it's a priority and a problem to me, then it's got to be a priority and a problem to them. And that's important to me.
Hey, they're giving you a good state-of-the-art product. They're processing it with a competitive rate. You know, they got good service where you can get help if you need it, and those all factor into a good relationship with us.
And I really believe that DCRS and everybody in that organization truly understands what relationships are all about, and they respect them.
We've been in this business now for over 15 years, and I just don't think you find those kind of relationships.
It's really great. We have a good relationship, and it's something that I truly enjoy.